She's giving it hell. You got Rufus over there, too chicken to come out. He's just watching like, oh, I want to go out, but I can't. There's Lucky. I call her Blue too. Those two I haven't named. I haven't named that one. There's Fluffy. There's Don King. And there's two white ones I haven't named. There's Princess and Emmett. That's Chocolate. Horn Dog. I call him Horn for short. And Caramel. And the other ones are over at Alice and Goldie is over there. I think Goldie went broody on me, which I'm hoping. I'm praying she did. She's making some funky noises to me. Let me go here and show you. I opened up my gate up where they can get out and get some fresh grass and scratch around. There's my big old fence I've got to put up when it gets warm, whenever that's going to be. He's freaking out. That's where the babies stay, where they get up in there. And then there's Alice. This is my peanut mixed out. I call her Goldie. See? Ooh. It's cold. Oh. This is where they say it needs to be cleaned out. Will they get up in there at night? Oh, look, here comes the little Blue running for me. Mama, come on. Come back over. Come on. I'm coming. Come on. Come on. She's my favorite one. And that one, oh, that one's name's Malvy because she likes to talk a lot. And see her bald spot on her head? That one's Princess. She gets it done a lot. These are my chickens. Come on. That one's a little rooster, because you can tell how he walks. He's always the last one we put up. Here comes Don King. They're cute. I love my little babies. Man, they're tearing it out good. I'm going to have to start letting them out a little bit more often. Oh, here comes, is that Blue coming? Nope, she ran out of the way. See how pretty he is? Oh, I better go ahead and save him. Because I don't know what's going on. Rufus is a pain in the ass. Come on. That one's Fluffy. He's the one born with normal feathers. He's starting to get some gold up under his neck feathers. Oh, there's Don King. This one's Fluffy. See, he's got some gold going on there. He's pretty. Alright. I'm back over here and sit for a little bit and go inside. It's getting cold. Peace out, y'all.